Okay, so I think we are now complete. Shall we start? Please give me a thumbs up on your screen if we can now start. Thumbs up. How about Johan? Thumbs up. Okay, great. Thank you so much. So, before we start with our short lesson or class for today, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Miss Leerilisha Caneda. You can just call me Leary for short. Okay? Yes, Leary. And then, I am from the Philippines. Okay, hello Chelsea. Good evening. Welcome to our class.
Yes, good evening. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, going back, again, Chelsea, I am from the Philippines. My name is Miss Leerilisha Caneda. You can just call me Leary for short or Miss Leary. Would that be fine?
Yes.
Okay, great. Very good. So, today, we will be tackling or discussing public speaking. Are you all familiar with this topic or with this subject?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Before we start with the discussion, can anyone give one word related to public speaking? Wow, very good. Yes, Chelsea.
Debating.
Debating. Okay, great. Very good. Yes. Maybe if you would go to higher public speaking or on a different level of public speaking, then you will be able to have debate. Okay?
Speech.
Okay. Who's next? Who would like to go next?
Speech.
Yes, Johan. Speech. Very good. When we do public speaking, guys, we must make sure that we speak, we pronounce the words properly. Do you agree with me? Yes, okay, so that communication is well relayed. Okay? Thanks, Johan. Who's next? Who would like to go next? Okay, Dolly. Yes.
I'm storytelling.
Storytelling, very good. Have you tried storytelling?
Yes, ma'am. In my school, I study in Don Bosco School 3rd grade. There are storytelling competitions, but for the pandemic, it's like not happening nowadays.
Yeah, because of the pandemic, that's why the activities are being cancelled or suspended. That's great, no? You also join competitions. Okay, thank you, Dolly. How about Sainita? Can you give one word that is related to public speaking?
Introducing ourselves.
Very good. Very good, Sainita. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now I prepared a little activity for you guys, and thank you so much because all of you are all smiling. I think you're happy to be with me. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
You all look so cute. Okay, let me share my screen to you guys. This is just a quick activity that you have to do. Okay, aside from you introducing yourselves, I would like you, by the way, can you see my screen already? Okay,
Yes.
great. Okay, good. Now, there are 4 photos here prepared for you, and all you have to do is to create a short story out of these photos. Again, I will repeat the instructions. I prepared 4 photos here on the screen, and all you have to do is to create a short story basing on the photos you can see on the screen. Okay? Everything is clear? Okay. I will give you about 20 seconds to think and 20 seconds to create the story in your hands. But before anything else, Chelsea, can you identify the first picture?
Yes, it's the boy with the
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next, Sainita, can you identify the second photo, the one I am highlighting?
Yes, ma'am, there's a house.
Very good, Sainita. How about Johan? What is this third picture?
It's an ice cream.
Very good. And of course, the last one for Dolly.
Ma'am, it's a boy watching TV.
Very good, very good. So now, I will give you a little time to create the story you out of these photos, and then I will be calling you one by one. Okay? The timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Are you all ready? I really like it when I ask you questions and then you do give me a smile. I think you are all prepared and somehow you are all willing to learn. Thank you so much. You'll start. Are you now ready? Give me a thumbs up on your screen so that I would know. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's start with Dolly.
Okay. A little boy was coming back to home from the school. When he was coming back, he realized that his backpack was too heavy for him. He went under a tree to check what was in his backpack. That made the backpack so heavy. When he opened it, he found a little gift box. On the gift box, there was written, "From his dearest friend, Olin." He was really surprised to see a present from his best friend, Olin. He was really curious to know what was inside the present. He opened it and saw a beautiful picture of him with a photo frame where he can keep his picture. He was really happy to see it, and he ran to his home and told his parents. The next day when he went to school, he said thank you to his best friend, and they lived happily forever and ever. Thank you.
Okay, a round of applause for Dolly, everyone.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yes, thank you so much, Dolly. You know, that was very creative and very imaginative. Okay? Thank you so much, Dolly. Very good idea. Now, can we have Chelsea?
Yes. One morning, a little boy came home from school. He was very excited. He reached home and ran inside. He turned on the TV and quickly went and bought some ice cream. And then he started watching TV. He cozily sat on his chair and enjoyed his yummy ice cream while watching TV.
Okay, very good. That was very quick, but very brilliant. Very good, Chelsea. Very short, very brief, but very direct. Okay, very good, Dolly, and very good, Chelsea. Okay, Now let's have Johan.
Okay. One day there was a boy with his mother. They were walking. They saw an ice cream parlor. So he asked his mother for ice cream. So he and his mother went and bought some ice cream. Then after that, he forgot that right now his favorite TV show was right now going on. So he quickly took his mother's hand and ran fast to the home. So when he asked his mother to open the door, she opened and he ran fastly. When he was running, he slipped and the ice cream slipped from his hand and he hit his head and the ice cream fell, and so he couldn't eat it anymore.
Okay, thank you so much, Johan. That was very creative. Do you do that, or did it happen to you last time? Have you experienced that story?
No.
Oh no. But that was very practical and very realistic. Very good, Johan. Very good. Very creative. Thank you. Now let's have Sainita. Sainita.
Once there was a naughty boy who was very greedy and selfish. One day, he was returning home from school with his father. Then he went to his room and he called his friends to go to the park. They were agreed. So when they went to the ice cream park. There were many delicious ice creams over there. They chose only one scoop. Then the greedy boy said, I want 4 scoops. Everyone was surprised to hear it. But anyhow, the ice cream seller gave him, and he was about to eat his ice cream, it fell down. He said, "Ew, what is this? Why have you made this ice cream? It tastes so bad." So he went home. Then he had to do his homework. Then mother said, "Hey, you have to do your homework. Tomorrow you need to go read it." He said, "Mom, stop telling like that. I hate it. I want to watch my favorite TV shows." So he watched TV shows. Then in the next day, he went and gets a big scolding from his teacher. Yeah.
Okay, very good, Sainita. Very cute, very good, and very intelligent. Thank you so much, Sainita. Thank you so much, everyone. No, I have observed that you all have a very good pronunciation, diction, intonation, and very good expression. And of course, the ideas you have in your mind are very brilliant and very unique. Okay? So, very good that you came up with different stories individually. Very good also that you have creative minds. I really like it. And thank you so much for being so welcoming. Okay? I can see that you are very much eager to learn because of your smiles. You are all so cute, very pretty and handsome. So cute. Okay, now going back to public speaking, hopefully I will be handling your next classes for public speaking. For the next activities, hopefully I will be able to enhance or see your talents. Okay? Some of you mentioned a while ago that you are into dancing, singing, and I can see that some of you are also into drama, role plays, or something related to drama. Am I right? Can you read scripts next time? Okay, and then let's do a little drama or something. Okay, very good, Sainita. Very good. Sainita is raising her hand. Very good. Okay, next time, hopefully, we will do script reading, and then let's try to create a short drama or a short movie. Would that be fine?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So hopefully, for today, I have let you enhance your speaking skills or communication skills. Have I? Okay, that's great. I am really happy. And thank you so much for welcoming me. By the way, do you still remember my name? Do you still remember my name?
Leerilisha.
Leerilisha. Okay, yes. But you can call me Miss Larry for short. Miss Larry for short.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it for tonight, I think. Do you have any questions before we end our class?
No.
No? Don't you want me to sing for you, or don't you want to ask questions? Sing, Sainita. Sing, Sainita.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Sainita.
what do you like to do in your free time?
I'd like to watch movies. I'd like to use my cell phone, like use the internet. I also cook.
Oh,
Do not worry. Next time, I hope we can get more time. So you better be early next time, huh? Everyone, you promise to be early
Yes.
next time. Okay?
yes.
Okay, that's great. So I think it's already time, and maybe you have next classes. So we will end our class here now. Okay? It's nice to meet you guys, and hopefully I will be able to meet you again soon. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great day. Okay? Take care.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Okay.